The mysterious ejecta cloud. The debris cloud created by DART's impact revealed secrets about asteroid composition that puzzled scientists worldwide. Instead of the uniform dust plume that computer models predicted, the ejecta displayed complex structures including multiple debris streams, spiral patterns, and irregular particle distributions that suggested Dimorphos had a far more complex internal structure than anticipated. Dr. Christina Thomas at Northern Arizona University, who led the observational campaign, noted that the debris cloud evolved in unexpected ways over the following weeks. Some particles were ejected at speeds exceeding 500 meters per second, while others moved much more slowly, creating distinct populations of material with different trajectories and behaviors. The cloud's asymmetric shape indicated that Dimorphos wasn't a solid uniform rock, but likely a rubble pile, a loose collection of smaller rocks and boulders held together by weak gravitational forces. High-resolution images from ground-based telescopes revealed that the ejecta contained both fine dust particles and larger chunks of material, some potentially meters in size. The debris cloud's brightness variations suggested that different types of material were being ejected from various depths within the asteroid, providing unprecedented insights into the internal layering and composition of small solar system bodies.